back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the #1 questions we get asked. How do you make money while traveling full-time RVing? This video is perfect for those that want to learn how to make money to travel and work from home ideas for moms, especially moms who travel. Hi, I'm Stephanie Calderon, an essential oil educator, certified essential oil specialist, and I'm definitely part of the Moms Who Travel Club. We are an RV family who has traveling kids and are pursuing experiences over things. We have been to 49 out of the 50 states as a family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you stick around to the end, you will be able to access my How to Make Money While Traveling guide. My husband, girls, and I have always loved to travel. We don't have any inheritance money. We weren't making millions online, so we wanted a way to make money to travel more. I had been using essential oils for a while, and people had been asking me questions. So we decided to put more time into really focusing on doTERRA as a business. At the beginning, I just wanted to make enough money to pay for the oils and products that helped us so much. Then it grew to wanting to pay for piano lessons for my daughter. Then for both my husband and I to be able to work from home. And then it grew to be able to travel. Now, I want you to know I have no former business experience or training. I just have a deep desire to create the life my family and I wanted. So I decided to figure it out. doTERRA has been the core stable income while we have been traveling as an RV family for the past 5.5 years. My husband has also picked up jobs at campgrounds we have stayed at, and I've worked at shops and been a nanny as well to fill any gaps in our income. So if you want to learn more about how we did that, tell me in the comments and I can do those in a future video. First, what is doTERRA? doTERRA is a company that produces the best essential oils that can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as for maintaining good health, using them and how to boost your immune system naturally, natural cleaning recipes, and taking care of your health. Second, why should you consider starting a doTERRA business if you love to travel? The flexibility. One of the biggest benefits of starting a doTERRA business is the flexibility it offers. As a doTERRA consultant, you can work from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop or a smartphone. This means you can work while you're traveling and earn money while exploring new places. Another great thing about starting a doTERRA business is the startup costs are low. Pick the collection of oils that is best for you and includes a doTERRA wholesale membership, which gives you access to discounts on essential oils and other products. This makes it easy and affordable to start your own business and start earning money. Despite the low startup cost, there is an earning potential with doTERRA. People are focused on their health more and more, and it's a consumable product that 73% of customers reorder every 3 months. As you build your customer base and increase your sales volume, you can earn commissions and bonuses from doTERRA. This can add up to an income over time, especially if you're able to grow your business while you're traveling. Another great benefit of starting a doTERRA business is that you have the opportunity to help others. Essential oils have many benefits, and by sharing your knowledge and expertise, you can help others improve their health and well-being. This can be especially rewarding if you'll be able to help people in different parts of the world as you travel and explore new cultures. Starting a doTERRA business can also help you grow as a person. You'll learn new skills such as sales and marketing. You'll have the opportunity to challenge yourself and step out of your comfort zone. This can be a great way to develop confidence and self-assurance, which can benefit you in all areas of your life. So as you can see, there are many benefits to starting a doTERRA essential oil business, especially if you love to travel. If you're interested in learning more, visit my website or contact us to get started. My contact information is in the description below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have and help you get started on your journey to financial freedom and a life of traveling. As promised, I'm going to tell you about how to get my free guide to how to make money while traveling. It has some great work from home ideas for moms and highlights why I picked the doTERRA business to pay for all of our trips to 49 of the 50 states over the past 5 years, plus 2 international trips. It's a great way to earn money while still having the flexibility to travel and spend time with your family. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.